Why are robot system recertifications challenging after modifications? Imagine upgrading your robot's hardware or software and then wondering if it still meets safety rules. That's where recertification comes into play, and it can be quite a puzzle. When robots are changed, safety standards like ISO 100-18 and American National Standards Institute/RIA R15.06 requiring thorough checks. These standards are designed to keep humans safe when working alongside robots. So, any change means the entire system needs to be reassessed to ensure it still complies. Modern robots often include artificial intelligence components that can learn and adapt. Unlike older machines that did the same thing every time, these smart robots might change their behavior over time. This makes it harder to predict how they will act after a modification. Certification bodies now want proof that the robot will stay safe in all kinds of situations, including ones that might happen in the future. This adds extra layers of testing and validation that are not needed for simple, fixed-function robots. Another challenge comes from the need for independent verification. In the past, companies could declare their robots met safety standards on their own. Now, they often have to go through third-party organizations called notified bodies. These groups review all the safety documentation and test results. This process can take months and cost a lot more money. It also involves a lot of paperwork, which can be a headache for organizations trying to keep up with changing rules. Changes in a robot setup can also affect how it interacts with humans and other machines. Safety standards requiring detailed risk assessments that look at environmental factors, operator training, and emergency procedures. If a robot's design or function is altered, these risk assessments need to be redone. New safety measures might be needed, and all of this has to be documented carefully. Keeping safety documents up to date is another big task. Organizations must record every change, update safety procedures, and train staff on new safety rules. This can be especially tricky if they are working with older systems or have a lot of different machines in their facility. All these factors mean that companies must plan for extensive testing and documentation when modifying robots. They need to stay current with evolving safety standards and regulations, which are regularly updated to address new technologies. This ongoing effort helps ensure robots remain safe for humans and compliant with the latest rules. In the end, recertifying a robot after modifications is challenging because it involves rechecking safety in a constantly changing environment. It's not just about fixing or upgrading a machine. It's about making sure it still meets all safety requirements now and in the future. This process demands a lot of time, effort, and careful planning, but is essential to keep everyone safe in advanced robotics and human-robot interaction settings.